We're out here in Puerto Rico. Oh man, my first hurricane came past people in that area. Actually made landfall. I was hearing north of 100 miles an hour winds in that area. Our side just got a lot of rain all day. It's still kind of drizzling all day yesterday, raining, very windy. Some parts of near where I live, where trees are on the road, there wasn't much flooding where I'm at, but other areas, other towns, even like a few miles on the way, they did have flooding. Cars being swept up. I saw like people being swept up, dogs. Gas stations being torn down closer to where the storm made landfall. Here I am right now. The water is Las Croabas. Let's go this way. Man, first hurricane. It was a Category 1, so it wasn't as intense as like Maria. Part of the island is still without power. My area up here, Fajardo, doesn't have any power at all. Hearing like the metro area is starting to get some. San Juan, Carolina, starting to restore power there, but LUMA still hasn't restored power in my area. I don't know how much longer it's going to take, but we're out here.